Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's image block in WordPress. Alright, so this is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So if you're logged in anywhere in your site, you'll have this top toolbar over here. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in with your username and password, you'll end up on your dashboard. Simply head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down onto Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will open up the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Alright, once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings and configuration items will be for our block. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. There's a blue button on the top left corner over here called the block insert. There's a plus icon on it. And it opens up all of our selection of blocks. Now we can either search for it or scroll down. Since Stackable is on top of the list, let's scroll down just a little bit and we will find image. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace. Okay, and let's close our block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Now this is just a simple image block. Let's go ahead and click on this anywhere over there, and let's choose an image. Let's use one of our generated images over here. Okay, so we have this, very lovely, very pretty. And let's click on layout. If we had anything else in here, we'd have our content alignment, but nothing really to talk about over there. We have our paddings and margins. If you wanted to adjust that, let's pad it out a little bit. Next, we have style. Okay, we have our image. Alternatively, we can use an image URL if we're hosting it elsewhere. We can change our aspect ratio depending on whether or not we're on desktop, tablet, and or mobile. We can have it square. We can have it wide. 2:1 if we wanted to. 2:3. 9:16 if you had a mobile-oriented website. Let's go with 2:1. We can change the width in percent. Right. We can also change the height in percent. I'll set this to default. We can open this image in a lightbox. So if you clicked on this, if you clicked on this, it'll open it up in a lightbox. We'll take a look at that later. We can also zoom in on the image, right? We can zoom out, and then when we hover over it, the zoom in will be like that. And we can also put a shadow and or outline on it. We can also have the image size to it. Keep it on full size. We can put a border on this. Okay, make it look nicer. We can put an overlay over it, just so you can see. I think that's nice. Okay, and then we have a bunch of filters over here. We also change the focal point of the image, right? Since our image is originally square, we can drag the focal point over there, and then we can also change the image fit, contain, cover, scale down, right, fill or none. You can see, and I'll keep it on default because default's all right. We can also add an image shape, so we can put it in a circle or a blob, right? I think that's nice. If you wanted to do something with that, and we have a bunch of other filters over here. We can increase the contrast a bit, and we can also add a background to this. And let's use a different. Oh, that's kind of bright. Okay. We can also use another image for this, or a video, and then we can also change our border radius on this. We can also put a caption. This is an image. Where does it appear? I have no clue. I don't think it's going to appear unless we clicked on it. Okay. And we finally have our other options over here, such as a link. So we can put a link to somewhere over here, and if you click on the image, it'll take us to that link. Our general settings, our hard position settings, custom attributes, which are HTML, our responsive settings if we wanted to hide this image in desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. Let's go ahead and click on Publish to save our progress, and let's take a look at it on our live site once that's done. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And here is our image block, our stackable image block, and WordPress. So here we have our custom shape overlay on it, our background, our overlay of the image itself, and if you clicked on it, it opens up the image in a lightbox. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.